Hey makers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Little Doll Mom, and today we're going to be going over crochet basics. So in this video, I am going to be showing you how to hold your crochet hook, how to hold your yarn, how to make a slip knot, and how to chain. Well, grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Okay, to make a slip knot, make a loop, like that. Make sure the little tail is going over the top. Go ahead and pinch that. And what you're going to do is go under that loop and come over and grab yarn and pull it through. And then there you go. You have a slip knot. Another way I like to do it is I just like to grab my hook, put the little tail over the top, and I go over, grab the yarn, and pull it through the loop, and then there you go. You have a slip knot. Let's talk about holding your hook. I hold my hook like this. I pinch it between my thumb and my index finger, and I hold it like this. Some people will hold it like a pencil, like this, but I prefer to hold it like this, like you would a knife, like a butter knife, or I'm cutting my steak. But you can do it like this, like a pencil. So play around with holding the hook, see what feels best for you, and do it that way. Okay, so let's talk about how to hold your yarn. I hold my yarn like this. I grab it with my pinky, and I grab it with my index finger, and I hold it like this. Now, the way that originally I learned was I just wrapped it twice around my index finger. I find that this way is more comfortable, so play around with it and see which one works best for you. Alright, let's chain. In order to chain, the best thing to do is I'm going to pinch the bottom right here. I'm going to hold my work, and I'm going to use my hook, and I'm going to grab that yarn and pull through, just like that. And I will continue to chain to the desired length. So when we grab our yarn like this with our hook, we call it yarn over. So you'll hear this a lot, yarn over. Okay, so yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Okay, yarn over, pull through. Easy peasy. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Makers keep making.